Okay, so we've got a loaded die. We're going to roll it 6 times, and we want to know what's the expected number of spots that show in 6 rolls of this die. So we can think of each roll as giving us a random number of spots, right? And the total number of spots we see in 6 rolls is the sum of 6 random variables that all have the same distribution, right? Each time you roll it, you get a new number. So each draw, each experiment, each time we roll the die, it's like drawing from a box of numbered tickets where there's 0.028 times the number of tickets in the box are labeled 1, 0.305 times n of the tickets in the box are labeled 6, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. There's each of these has a 6th times n. My handwriting, I'm so sorry. Do this a little better here. Give myself more space to start with. 4, a 6th times n, and 5 has a 6th times n. Okay, everybody has it on a die. The sum of the spots on the top and bottom add up to 7. Right? Opposite faces, they add to 7, which is why I've tweaked 1 and 6 here, because they're on opposite sides. Okay. All right, so if I draw from this box once, what's the expected value of one draw from this box? It's going to be the average of the numbers on the tickets in the box. So 0.028 n of them are labeled 1. 0.305 n of them are labeled 6, etc. If I wrote them all out, I need to sort of put it over a common denominator. But if I wrote them all out and then added them up and divided by n, what would I get? 1 times 0.028 plus 6 times 0.305 plus 2 times a 6th plus 3 times a 6th, etc., right? That would be the average of the labels on the capital N tickets there are in this box, right? There aren't the same number of tickets with every number. These have the same number. These differ from each other and from those, right? Okay, so if I do this sum, that's the expected value of one draw from the box. What's the expected value of 6 draws from the box? 6 times whatever that gives us. Okay, the sum of the numbers we get in 6 draws from the box. And that's true whether we do it with or without replacement.